In this video, we'll teach you how to use art resin epoxy resin. Art resin is a two-part clear liquid that turns to a rock-hard glass-like finish when you mix both parts together. It's easy to do, and the results are amazing. So let's get started. Art resin can work on any medium, so today we'll be coating this piece. It's an acrylic painting on a wooden panel. You'll want to have ready your art resin, scrap paper to catch drips, stands to hold up your piece, a level, painter's tape, nitrile gloves, mixing cups or containers, a stir stick, a spreader, something to cover your piece with to protect it from dust while the resin cures, and, as an option, an artist's torch. To start, tape the underside of your piece to protect it against drips. Raise your piece up on stands so that it doesn't stick to the tabletop, and then you'll want to make sure that your work is level. Now, how do you determine how much resin you'll need? Our online calculator will do the math for you. This piece is 16 by 16 inches, so that's about 2 square feet. Our starter kit covers 8 square feet, so I'll only need to mix up a quarter of it, 4 ounces from this bottle, and an equal amount, 4 ounces, from the other. The ratio is 1:1, so you can visually measure the amount you need. Stir for 3 minutes, scraping the sides and bottom to make sure you get everything mixed thoroughly. Now for the fun part. Pour the art resin mixture right onto your work. And spread it out. Our reusable jagged spreaders are great for this. It's totally fine if the resin runs over the sides. We'll show you how to finish the edges in a moment. Next, let's take care of any bubbles. Art resin is great because many of the bubbles pop on their own. You can blow on the stubborn ones, or use an artist's torch to speed up the process. You can actually see them popping in front of your eyes. Once that's complete, you can spread the resin on the edges with the spreader or with your gloved hand. If you don't want to coat the sides, you can just spread it neatly on top. So you have about 45 minutes to play with the resin. After that, it starts to cure and will continue to cure for the next 24 hours. So cover it up with a cardboard box and wait patiently. So it's the next day. Let's see how it looks. Amazing! It looks and feels like glass, only much less fragile. Try it out on your photos, paintings, woodworking, mixed media, glass, jewelry, sculpture, drawings, crafts, anything you can imagine. We formulated art resin from the highest quality materials to enhance your projects and ensure your safety. It's non-toxic, has no VOCs or fumes, and is chemically engineered to offer the most efficient yellowing protection on the market. So go ahead and get creative.